Pablo. Hey, good morning. I know. It's tough life, eh? Morning, guys. I'm very excited today because Tim is back. And we've had a really good journey without him going round. Of course, he's been on the phone. But we've also had a bit of drama. If you've missed the last couple of episodes, had a bit of a drama with the van, and that we're all sorted. It's all fixed for when he comes back, so he doesn't have to deal with that. It's just a skylight that we're gonna have to run around and try and fix today. But I want to get this van up and running, like smick inside the way he left it. Unfortunately, I don't have facilities like a car wash or anything, or no vacuum, but I'll do my best and have everything spick and span as much as I can. We're just gonna get dressed first, and then we'll start the big clean. There's always a is the skylight roof still there? Well, the solar panel's still there, thankfully. I'll be happy to board this up until we get a new until we get a new one. See how bright it is without this up there. The skylights are good, just not that one. One of my members told me that eucalyptus is bad for pets. I didn't know that, so I've got home with pets, they're told, to the floor. We've moved on. Bigger and better things. Safety of the pets. Sorry, Pablo, I didn't know. Alright, that is a lot better than what it was. I've got the washing in a bag ready to go, as you can see. So Tim is going to be catching an Uber here because, yeah, just to save me packing up and going to the airport. The reason for that is I've got a bit of editing to do. He knew I had to clean the van out because I just hadn't had a chance. So yeah, it's only 25 bucks from here, so that's not too bad. So I cannot wait for him to get here, but we do have a busy day ahead of us, but we'll bring you along for the ride. Next video shot should be Tim arriving. I'm so excited. But until then, guys, I've got to work. You wait for Tim, Bella? Good boy. Is he out there? Look. Look. Is he coming? The man himself,
The very tired man.
He's arrived. We tried to get a nap, but this one here...
He always seems to, if you have a nap in the afternoon, he always seems to have a little bark for some reason.
One little
bark. Just to
enough to wake you up.
Get you out of that sleep.
Every time. Are you happy to be home?
Yes, I am. I actually finally relax. I've been travelling and travelling and travelling the last 3 days.
Sorry about the skylight.
That's not your fault.
At least the van's fixed, eh?
The van's fixed, and the skylight will be fixed in the next hour.
Yes. We're actually relaxing in that, but we are going to fix the skylight now because we looked in the sky and there's little rain clouds.
Yeah, the weather's picking up. There's sporadic showers. So.
Not raining yet, but it's just, we could rain. So we're going to go fix that because, we've got no roof. So let's do it.
Well, luckily there's a Mitre 10 here, so we should be able to get what we need.
Yeah, and then we might go get some food, I think. But, we'll fix this skylight first. Let's go, guys. Okay, we've got a little reshuffling.
And we're going to have a big sort
I feel like putting up a thing half an hour later. But yes, we've Pablo's now moved back here, and we have room now in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
And you still need to sort that out, but whatever.
You can see how passenger seats become permanent storages.
Look at this.
The panda head has been renewed.
Oh yes, please put it back there. I can't stand it behind my head.
Staring out the window.
Let's go fix this skylight because I did feel a couple of specks of rain when I was out there. So.
Yeah, and it's blowing up a bit.
Yeah. Sorry to put you to work, but there's no skylight. We have no roof.
Don't mind.
You missed this.
I do. It's like when I was away, I went and saw my son and helped him put a rooftop tent on his car. So
yeah.
It's like I have some tinkerage.
I am happy that I'm not driving. I have, especially after yesterday. That's all I'm saying.
I'm happy I'm not doing 9-hour drives like I was at work. That was ridiculous.
Okay, here we are, Mitre 10. Hopefully we can I can see raindrops on the window. Tim's just gone inside to see what he can get. Before you all ask or say or comment, why are you sticking a camera in Tim's face? He's just arrived. He wanted me to. I did say, just want to have a day off today. We'll just get settled back in. And no, film. Yeah, it's fine. We can film today. He's like, okay, as long as you're sure. So he wanted to. Just, I can know what you're thinking. How'd you go?
Well, they didn't have marine ply, but got a bit of ply and they wrapped it in cellophane for me, so it's waterproof. And all I got to do is screw it on now.
Really?
Yeah, that'll work.
I don't like this.
It's going to be better. Marine ply is going to be really expensive. This was like $30 for this piece of wood, so cheap.
Dodgy.
Timber's not cheap anymore. Trust the process.
I actually can't believe that's your solution. What if you screw it in? The water's going to get into the screw hole, surely.
So I've got little brackets, so that lays on top like that, perfectly sealed.
Yeah.
And then I'll screw a bracket in here, and here, and here, and here, and then screw it into the plastic from inside.
Inside?
You'll see what I mean when I've done it.
When you do it from inside, the water will still get in the house.
We just got to stop the water from coming in.
Well, it won't stop it from coming in.
It will.
Will it though?
Yes.
Oh, I see. You're not putting it inside the house. You're putting it outside the house. Okay, well,
like
that makes sense. Hey, let me come up there. Yeah.
You'll see light through it, but it's going to keep the rain out. So. It'd be fine.
Well, the skylight, you're supposed to see light through it.
Yeah. Once it's screwed down, it'd be better.
It's more light than we saw for our other skylight.
It's actually clearer.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you don't want to look at it, just do that.
Yeah, okay. Well, that actually will work.
That's
okay.
going to be better than a raincoat.
I thought you said you were going to put it on the inside. Well, that's not going to work because the water is still coming.
No, it's sitting on top of it like a hat.
Yeah, no, that's cool. Yeah. Is it not going to blow off though when we drive?
It's going to be screwed down.
Is that going to be enough?
It'll have to be. I'll make sure I screw it down well. Okay?
Oh my goodness. Okay.
All right, let's get to it.
Welcome back to the Dodgy Fixes by Timothy.
These are not dodgy. I resent that comment.
Or represent that comment.
Oh, you're rude.
Are you right, old man? Try and get up there.
The knee. I've hurt my knee. All this running.
Oh, you have hurt your knee.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do? Put 4 at the front, are you? And...
So I've got 4 of these tiny little brackets. I'm going to screw straight into the plastic here.
Yeah.
Actually, I might have to...
That plastic's not strong enough, is it?
Yeah, it's pretty...
Is it? Okay, good.
It'll hold the piece of wood. Chill.
Oh dear.
Chill.
I just had a bad experience with it flying off before, so, you know. I'm traumatised.
You got PTSD?
Yeah.
Post-traumatic skylight disorder.
Well.
Should be right. It's going to hold, look.
Yeah, we just can't go 100k with
I wouldn't do it's not approved for 100k in the rain. But it stop a shower. I've ordered them, it's just got to come through. The new one's coming through.
Oh, thank you. I feel safer with you
Well,
around.
you won't get murdered now.
Yeah.
By crows or something. But we should be fine. I can always get a tarp as well if we like park up. We can drape the tarp over the top. Well, we've got the awning tarp we can throw over the
We've got
whole
umbrellas
roof.
and a raincoat. We should be
Exactly. It's
fine. I'm not worried about the rain. I'm worried about it flying off when we're driving. That's what I'm worried
It's
about.
secured by 8 brackets, so it should be good.
Yeah, but the skylight was secured by brackets as well.
Yeah, well, we're not driving it backwards at 100.
All right, let's get something to eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
We're just going to leave the van there for a minute while we go across to Happy Kitchen. Is this Chinese, is it?
Yeah, well, it says it is. Well,
Yeah.
hopefully it'll make us happy.
I'm starving. I haven't eaten anything today. I was waiting for
Oh.
you and time got away with us, eh? And
Yeah, I'm hungry.
so whereabouts is it though, you know?
It says it's there. It's
Oh,
one of
it's
these
just
shops
right
here, yeah.
Oh, sweet.
I think it's that one with the white sign sticking out.
Hey?
The one with the white sign sticking out up there,
Oh, yeah.
next to Wally's.
Come on, Pablo. Pablo, come on, mate.
Come on.
We've got things to do.
He's got things to sniff.
Just waiting on our Chinese. Check out this dude. Check him out. How cute is he?
Pablo doesn't like him.
Pablo's been a very good boy.
Yeah, if he's on the floor, he wants to murder him.
Cute buddy. All right, let's go.
Chinese!
It is very loud here.
Let's
so
go eat somewhere classy, like
Look at-
outside a laundrette.
And then we might, come on, Pablo.
Live in the van
And
life.
then we might go out somewhere else. Come on, mate.
A
It's
mystery
going to be a
destination.
slow walk back. I might have to pick him up. I'm hungry.
The level of comfort this thing travels in, eh?
I'm hungry. We need to go. It's too slow.
We're too hungry to care.
You okay, Pablo? Oh, good boy. Oh my gosh, the smell of this Chinese is so
divine.
good.
The divine smell of the Asian continents.
I'm so hungry. Where are we driving to?
That laundrette
here?
over there.
Beautiful.
That's the duck.
Oh no! Whoa!
Sweet and
Is
sour
that yours or
sauce
mine?
nearly went everywhere. Ooh,
Wow,
my
that's a
lord,
lot.
that's a lot. It's literally bursting.
Literally.
We need bowls. We need bowls.
Oh, we need a lot of things, babe. Thank you.
Hey, hello, Pablo. Want to get down? There you go. I smell chicken.
This is going to be good. This is going to be good.
Soda water paper.
Oh my gosh, but guys, we're going to eat this and we'll get back to you in a second because I won't be able to talk while
Yummy.
I'm
It
so
won't look
hungry.
nice either.
Yeah, it will literally be shoveling. See you in a second. Well, guys, sorry for the ambient light. It's just taken longer than we thought. We've eaten, and then we put washing on, and now it's gotten dark real
So we're not
quick.
going to bother travelling.
Excuse the
It's mood lighting.
It's something we brought home. Isn't it cute? Look. So I think we were going to travel up to Oatlands and have a shower and all that. Or we were going to go to Fitness First and have a shower and all that.
Anytime Fitness.
What did I
We've
say?
never been a member of Fitness First.
Yeah, so it's just gotten too dark and we're too tired and can't be bothered doing anything now. So
And we're like 300 metres away from the campsite. It's like, okay, don't do that.
So stinky and everything, we'll just go to bed. We have dirty sheets anyway, so
We got things to order.
fix this tomorrow.
Skylights to order.
We've had so much to do today. And seeing each other as well, and it's just
Well, I didn't get there till like nearly 1 o'clock, so
yeah.
we did a lot in 5 hours.
Did we though? Well, we fixed the skylight sort of.
Wow. We made it secure from wombats.
All right, guys. We will see you tomorrow. This one is probably a little bit short. Again, I always say that it's probably 25 minutes long, but I'm very happy to have you back.
I'm glad to be home.
And I feel safer with you here.
I'm
honestly.
ready to work.
I really do. I was feeling very damselly.
Well, your distress has been...
Although I wasn't really. I was okay out here by myself. But when you're here, I feel extra okay. So,
Why, thank you.
thank you. Thank you for being my husband. Anyway, guys.
Thank you for being my wife.
We'll see you tomorrow. See ya.